How are you all? I'm sure all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter more about subtraction. Count the pictures and write the answers in the box. For take away, we are left with 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, here 5 minus 3, we are left with 2 words. Okay. Fill in the blank boxes. One has been done for you. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 5 is what? 2. Okay. Subtraction in tens. Okay. So here 30 means 3 tens, 20 means 2 tens. 30 minus 20 is 10, that is 110. Okay. Now we will subtract the following. 40 minus 10, or you can say 410 minus 110. 410 minus 110 is 310, that is 30. 6 tens minus 110 is equals to 510, that is 50. Okay, similarly you will do other parts also, right? Subtracting one digit number from two digit number. So how will you do it? First, step 1, subtracting the ones. You have to subtract one digit number from two digit number. Okay, first we will subtract 1, that is 5 minus 3 is 2. Then subtract the tens. 5 minus 0 is 5. So 52 is the answer. Okay, now let's subtract. One has been done for you. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 6 minus 0 is 6. Okay, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay. Next, subtraction of two digit numbers. Step 1, subtract the ones. First we will subtract the ones, that is 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 ones. Then subtract the tens. 3 minus 2 is 1, that is answer is 12, or you can say 110 or 2 ones. Okay, now let's subtract the following. 9 minus 9 is 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3, right? Next, subtract the following. This is also similar. 6 minus 2 is 4, 6 minus 3 is 3, 7 minus 2 is 5 and 5 minus 4 is 1, right? Subtraction with borrowing. Now in this question we will have to borrow. Okay, so what are the steps? See, 35, the question is 35 minus 7. 7 is greater than 5, so we cannot subtract 7 from 5. So what will we do? We will borrow 110 from 3. Okay. See, step 1, subtract the ones digit. You cannot take away 7 ones from 5 ones, since 5 is less than 7. So we need to take 110 from tens column and change it to 10 tens. Okay. See, we have borrowed 110 from here, so it has become what? 5. 110 means 10. So now it has become 15. Okay, it has become 15 and it has become 2 because it has given 110 to 5, right? Now it has become 15. 15 minus 7 is 8 and 2 minus 0 is 2, right? So the answer is 28. Now let's subtract. 18 minus 9 is 9. 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, next 0. 30 minus 4. Okay. 30 minus 4. Okay. Ones, tens. Can you subtract 4 from 0? Most of the students make this mistake that 0 minus 4 is 0. No, this is wrong. 0 minus 4 is not 0. Okay, or 0 minus 4 is not 4. 4 is greater than 0. So you cannot subtract. So what will you do? We will borrow from here. Okay. So it will become 10 or it will become 2. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 2 minus 0 is 2. Right? Students, now similarly you will do all these parts. Okay. Next, here again you have to subtract 22 minus 8. Ones, tens. You cannot subtract 8 from 2. So you will borrow from here. 12 and 1. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. Next one is 45 minus 6. 6 is greater than 5, we cannot subtract 6 from 5, so we will borrow from here. 15 and this 3. 15 minus 6 is 9 and 3 minus 0 is 3. Okay, students. Now you will do remaining parts. Okay. Subtraction with borrowing. This is also similar. First, what will you do? Subtract the ones. Here, as you can see, you cannot take away 8 ones from 5 ones. Since 5 is less than 8, so we need to borrow 110 from tens. Okay, column and change it to 10 ones. We now cut 5 and write 4 in the tens place here. Okay, now we have 10 plus 5 is equals to 15 ones. We can take away 8 from 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7 and 7. We write 7 in ones place. Number 2, subtract the tens. Now we have only 4 tens left in the tens place. So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 tens. So the answer is 27. Okay, let's subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, 34 minus 18. Can you subtract 8 from 4? Of course not. So what will you do? You will borrow from tens place. Okay, so we will cut 3. It will become 2 and here it will become 40. Now 40 minus 8 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 16 is the answer. Right, students? Okay, here also you have to subtract. The procedure is same. Okay. Next, word problems on subtraction. Do the sums in the boxes. The first 2 are solved for you. Okay, so let's start with number 3. Sunita had 76 dolls. Of these, 29 were broken. How many dolls were not broken? Okay, suppose you have 5 pencils, right? And 2 pencils, out of them 2 pencils were broken. That means how many pencils were not broken? Of course 3. So how did we get 3? By subtracting 2 from 5. That is 5 minus 2 is 3. So similarly in this question we will subtract. She had 76 dolls. Out of these 29 were broken. So how many dolls were not broken? So subtract. You cannot subtract 9 from 6. So we will borrow from here. This will become 16 and this is 6. 16 minus 9 is 7 and 6 minus 2 is 4. 47. So 47 dolls were not broken. Right, students? Now you will do remaining questions yourself. Next, subtraction on the number line. We know that when we add on the number line, we jump forward as the arrow points out. Thus to add 7 and 5, we started 7 and then what we do, we make 7 small jumps forward, 5 small jumps forward and we reach at 12 as shown in the figure given below. So 7 plus 5 is 12. However, when we subtract on the number line, we have to jump backward, the arrow points out, that means to the left side. Thus to subtract 5 from 7, we start at 7 and make 5 small jumps backward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reach at 2. So we write 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Okay. Next, let us subtract 7 from 13. To subtract 7 from 13, we start at 13 and make 7 small jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write 13 minus 7 is equals to 6. Okay. Subtract on the number line. 1 has been done for you. Number 2, 28 minus 3. We will start from 28 and then we'll make 3 small jumps backward. 1, 2, 3. So we reach at 25. So 25 is the answer. Similarly, next one, 31 minus 6. We will start from 31 and we'll make 6 small jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 25 is the answer. Right, students? Now you will do remaining parts similarly. Okay. Next, subtract with beads on the abacus. 1 has been done for you. Okay. 65 minus 22 is what? 43. Okay. Now here 77 minus 25. Okay. This is a second part. Okay. Tens, ones. 7 tens here we'll make 7 beads. We'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 2. 1, 2. Now at ones place 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 7 minus 5 is what? 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 52 is the answer. Right, students? Okay. Similarly, you will do these parts also. Okay. Subtract using the expanded form. From 44, take away 22. This is the expanded form of 44 and this is the expanded form of 22, and then we will subtract them. Okay. In this question also, one has been done for you. Next one, 65 means 60 plus 5. This is the expanded form. 40, 40 plus 0. Okay. Now, 5 minus 0 is 5. 60 minus 40. 60 tens minus 4 tens is 2 tens, that means 20. Okay. And 20 plus 5, 25 is the answer. Right, students? Subtract, then add to check. Example is 77 minus 22. Okay. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 7 minus 2 is 5. Now, what will we do? We will add these two numbers. Okay. 22 plus 55. 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 2 7, 77. Okay. These two numbers are equal. That means our difference is correct. Right. First one has been done for you. We will do second one. Okay. 33 minus 17. 33 minus 17. You cannot subtract 7 from 3, so we will borrow from here. Okay, 13 and 2. 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Now we will add. Okay. What will you write here? You will write here 16 plus 17. 6 plus 7, 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 33. Okay. So 33. That means our answer is correct. Okay. Now students, you will do the remaining parts. Okay. Next, word problems on addition and subtraction. 2, 1 and 2 have been done for you. Number 3. Nikita had bought 30 balloons for her birthday party. And 23 balloons burst. How many balloons are left now? So we will subtract 23 from 30. You cannot subtract 3 from 0. So you will borrow from 10's place. It will become 10 and it becomes 2. 10 minus 3 is 7 and 2 minus 2 is 0. That means how many balloons are left now? Only 7 balloons left now. Okay. No need to write 0. Just write 7. Right, students? Now, you will do practice of the remaining questions and keep doing practice of this chapter also.